Welcome to Future Academy. Today we are going to discuss the previous year questions for the upcoming civil exams. Let's move to the engineering drawing questions. Our first question is, the trimmed standard size of A1 drawing sheet is? The options are 420 mm by 594 mm, 297 mm by 420 mm, 841 mm by 1189 mm, 594 mm by 841 mm. And our answer is option D, 594 mm by 841 mm. Let's look into the A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 drawing sheet size. For A0, the trimmed size will be 841 by 1189 mm and untrimmed will be 880 by 1230 mm. For A1, as we said, the trimmed size will be 594 mm by 841 mm and the untrimmed will be 625 by 880. And for A2, 490 by 594 trimmed size and for untrimmed 450 by 625. And for A3, trimmed will be 297 by 420 and untrimmed will be 330 by 450. And for A4, it will be 210 by 297 trimmed size and untrimmed will be 240 by 330. And for A5, it will be 148 by 220 mm trimmed size and untrimmed size will be 165 by 240 mm. Let's move to the second question. The visible outlines are drawn as dashed lines. The options are continuous thin, thick, continuous thick, thin. Our answer will be continuous thick. Here we can see that the continuous thick will be visible outlines, and for continuous thin, imaginary line of intersection, dimension lines, projection lines, leader lines, hatching lines, outlines of revolved sections in place, short center lines. Let's move to the next question. Let's move to the third question. Trench curve are used to. Option A, draw irregular curve. B, draw conic sections. C, draw arcs of fixed radius. D, draw arcs of varying radius. Our answer is A, draw irregular curves. Next is fourth question. Which of the following instrument is used to draw parallel lines at any angle? Set square, clinograph, pentagraph, none of this. The answer is B, clinograph. The set square is mainly used to draw lines with an angle between them, and pentagraph is used for reducing or enlarging engineering drawings. Let's move to the fifth question. In aligned system of dimensioning, the dimensions may be read from A, bottom or left hand edges, only from the bottoms, only from left side, bottom or right hand side. Our answer is bottom or right hand side. Next question is, if in the first angle projection method, object is assumed to be placed in third quadrant, second quadrant, first quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first angle projection, we will be placing the object in first quadrant. And in third angle projection, we will be placing in third quadrant. Next is the unit of RF is. The RF means it is the representative fraction which can be calculated by length of an object on drawing by actual length of the object, and it is a dimensionless quantity. So the answer will be C. Next question is, diagonal scale is used to measure. The diagonal scale is used to measure 3 dimensions. In this, we are using diagonal scale to read lengths with higher accuracy, since it is representing that into 3 different multiple, which is centimeter, meter and millimeter. Next, we are moving to the questions regarding the surveying. First one is, the fundamental principle of surveying is preparation of plan or map, to work from part to whole, to work from whole to part, and all of the above. This is the repeated question, and the answer will be to work from whole to part. We have two principles of surveying. First one is working from whole to part, and the second one is location of a point from 2 points of reference. The next question is chainage in chain survey means. First option is the distance between end stations, the perpendicular distance of the object from the chain line, any distance measured by chain in field. The last one is the distance of the object along the chain line from the zero end of the chain. The answer is option D. The next question is also a repeated question. The box of a prismatic compass box is made up of A. Aluminium, B. Brass, C. Steel, and D. Iron. Our answer is option B. Brass. Next, the true meridian passes through fixed point, equatorial line, true north and true south, and all of the above. The true meridian will be passing through true north and true south. The option C is the right answer. 13th question. Plane table surveying is most suitable for preparing small scale maps, particularly advantageous in magnetic area, less costlier than theodolite surveying, all of the above. These all are regarding plane table surveying, so the answer is all of the above. Next question is the instrument used for orienting plane table. Trough compass, circular or box compass, both A and B, surveyor's compass. The answer will be option C, both A and B. The instruments used for orienting plane table will be trough compass and circular or box compass. Let's move to the next question. The first observation taken on turning point. Foresight, backside and foresight, and intermediate side. So our answer will be foresight. First observation taken on turning point will be foresight. The next question is, the benchmark established by Survey of India is known as temporary benchmark, permanent benchmark, arbitrary benchmark, and GTS benchmark. Our answer is option D, GTS benchmark. The next question, what is the imaginary line joining the center of the eyepiece and the optical center of the object glass in theodolite? Axis of telescope, axis of altitude bubble tube, vertical axis, and axis of plate level tube. Our answer is axis of telescope, option A. Next, the contour interval depends upon nature of the ground, scale of the map, purpose and extent of the survey, all of the above. Answer is option D. Next is the contour interval is the vertical distance between two consecutive contours, horizontal distance between two consecutive contours, the horizontal distance between 2 points on same contour, the vertical distance between the 2 points on same contour. The answer is option A. Next question. The vertical circle is a circular graduated arc attached to the dash of axis of the telescope. Outer axis, vertical axis, inner axis, and Trunnion axis. The answer is Trunnion axis. Trunnion axis is the axis above which the instrument rotates in vertical plane. Next is a total station is a combination of medium and theodolite, compass and medium, electronic theodolite and medium, and electronic compass. The options are a little tricky, but the answer is option C, electronic theodolite and medium. Our last question is, how is the size of theodolite defined? The size of the theodolite is defined by the diameter. I hope you guys understand today's topic. If you have any doubts, please post it in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe the channel with Future Academy. Thank you.